Dober primer je jeza. V naši družbi velja, da če imamo v sebi jezo, jo moramo izraziti, da jo ne smemo omejevati, da jo ne smemo nadzirati, temveč jo moramo izraziti. Če pustimo svoje jezi prosto pot, se bomo navadili. Tako zelo navadili, da ne bomo več videli, da se nabira v nas, temveč bo samo izbruhnila na plan. Mi pa bomo to dovolili. Po drugi strani pa se strinjam, da ne smemo tlačiti jeze v sebi, ker v nasprotnem primeru bo to kot ekonomski lonec, kot lonec na pritisk in v določeni točki bo preprosto samo eksplodiralo. Poiskati moramo srednjo pot. Srednja pot pri jezi in drugih takšnih čustvih pa je, da jih prepoznamo, da si jih ogledamo, se vprašamo, jih razčlenimo, zakaj se pojavijo in ali je dobro, da jim dovolimo, da se razvijajo ali ne.
So the next time the anger arises, we don't repress it. We don't let it to explode or to expand. We look at it. We can talk to it. Hey, anger, I see you. Why are you coming in my mind? Then we can look and say, oh, I'm getting angry because this person has told me this, has told me that. Well, is it really necessary that I get angry, all emotional and vibrating, and eventually not controlling what I will say on the basis of that? If you ask yourself these very simple questions and enter into the analysis of this anger, it simply disappears. You cannot at the same time hold the analysis of the anger and the anger itself. Your mind cannot focus on 2 points at the same time, either one, either the other. You said, I don't want to let the anger to overwhelm my mind, so you place your energy on, let's understand this anger. You withdraw the energy from the anger, you place it on the analysis of that anger. It disappears.
Naslednjič, ko se bo v nas pojavila jeza, je ne tlačimo, prav tako pa ji ne pustimo, da bo eksplodirala ali se širila. Poglejmo si jo, lahko se pogovarjamo z njo in rečemo, poslušaj jeza, vidim te, zakaj si se pojavila v mojem umu. In tako si jo lahko, in tako bomo videli, aha, postal sem jezen zato, ker mi je ta oseba rekla tisto ali ono. Potem se lahko vprašamo, ali se res splača jeziti, zaradi tega. Če se bomo vprašali ta preprosta vprašanja, bo jeza preprosto izginila. Saj ne moremo hkrati analizirati jeze in se jeziti. Ne more početi 2 stvari hkrati. Na ta način preprosto vzamemo energijo jezi in jo vložimo v njeno analizo in jeza bo izginila.
This is one thing we don't do enough, is to observe our mind in real time. Either we think about the past or we think about the future. We are projecting constantly. To say to oneself, okay, stop, what is now in my mind? What am I thinking about? And then to recognize that what we are thinking about is irrelevant for the moment. irrelevant for what we are doing. Thus, we switch to a state of awareness, trying to be present. I am cleaning the floor. I am cleaning the floor. I am not cleaning the floor, repeating 20 times what I will say to my boss tomorrow. Especially knowing that usually it's completely different than what we have repeated 20 times. But it can be the boss, it can be anybody else. The point is to be present. The mind at peace, engaged and doing what it wants to do. If you get used to do that during the daily events, it also helps the practice of your quiet meditation. When you will sit and decide to meditate on compassion, on karma, and so, you will be more focused, you will be more present into your meditation.
Ena stvar, ki ne počnemo dovolj pogosto, je, da ne opazujemo svojega uma v vsakdanjem življenju, v danem trenutku. Ali razmišljamo o preteklosti ali pa o prihodnosti. Nenehno projiciramo. Ne rečemo si, prenehaj, kaj z mi zdaj roji v mislih, o čem razmišljam. Če bi to storili, bi ugotovili, da je to, kar razmišljamo, popolnoma nepomembno za dani trenutek, za to, kar v tistem trenutku počnemo. In potem bi preklopili v stanje zavedanja, poskusili biti prisotni. Zdaj pometam, torej zdaj pometam, ne pa da 20-krat ponovim, kaj bom jutri rekel šefu. Še zlasti, če vemo, da je ponavadi potem vse drugače. Glavni namen tega je, da umirimo svoj um. In če bomo umirili svoj um, ohranili miren um v vsakdanjem življenju, bomo ta mir lahko uporabili tudi v trenutkih, ko meditiramo o različnih temah, karmi, o resnični naravi, stvari in tako naprej. Če bomo ohranili ta mir v svojem umu v vsakdanjem življenju, bomo bolj prisotni tudi v svojem meditaciji, se bomo lahko lažje osredotočili.
This state of awareness is a very important point. It can help us in whatever we are doing. Meditation, it helps. Study, it helps. Work, it helps. Anything that you can think about with awareness will be experienced in a much better way. For this, it's not complicated. It does not require higher initiations. It's a daily work, a daily practice. As often as you can, become aware of what you are doing, of what you are thinking. Of course, it might last a few seconds, few minutes, before your mind again jumps into projections, expectations. But more you do that, more you get used to it, longer it lasts. And when you see some disturbed emotion like anger or any other emotions, you can much more easily say, stop, I look at it, I analyze it, I pacify my mind. Because you are used to work on, let's become present, let's become aware of inside and outside. It helps on the spiritual path, it helps in the daily life, it helps in every circumstances to be more aware, more peaceful, more focused.